Hey neighbor, I'm back with part 2 of my wigtypes.com haul. I have 4 more wigs left. I showed you 3, just a quick recap. It was Trudy, which is my short do, in color 1B30. Diva H Sister in 1B. That's her. Everybody love her with those big juicy curls. Okay. And a shiny in 1B. I showed you those 3 in the previous video. Now here are the 4 that's remaining. Ari in Sombre 3033, which is a beautiful light brown color. I'm praying they gave me some dark roots. If not, it don't matter, because your girl's still gonna rock it. You better know it. And this is from the Sister Wig brand. Okay. And let me see, I think this is a sensational half wig, because I got curly hair, so it should blend in with mine. Hopefully it does. In 1B, it is heat safe up to 400. Okay, and that is this one. Hopefully y'all can see that good. If not, this is just the unboxing. So I will be doing a review on each one of these wigs with my new backgrounds. Okay, now all of you, if not almost all of you, know Miss Nisha. I seen Deidre have this wig on, and I got down in her comments, yes I did. She gonna laugh if she ever see this unboxing. I said, who is she? And she already knew what I was talking about. This is Miss Nisha. Now the reason why I got this one, yes, I do stay in Texas, and yes, it get hot as fish grease out here, but it's been cold and I need something to keep my head warm. So I might as well look cute while I'm staying warm, right? So Miss Nisha is gonna help me do that, especially when I go up north. She is so thick and so full and so beautiful. I cannot wait to stunt with her on, honey. I'm gonna shut it down. And this one is BS291 in color OS 1B Sangria. So this is a multi-color wig. It is like a purple, blue, burgundy, and green. Wait till y'all see this up close. Y'all not gonna be able to see it, but once I turn that ring light on, it's gonna blow y'all mind. This is another curly wig, so hopefully it does me some justice. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see those colors. I wish y'all could, but like I said, I'll be doing a review on it, so you'll be able to see the colors better. But yes, this is the rest of my wigtypes.com unboxing. Altogether I had 7 wigs, and I think my total was like 171, which is not bad because I think my video got cut off right in the middle, so I'm not sure if hopefully I'm not repeating myself. But out here it costs so much to get your hair done, and you spending anywhere from $60 to $100 and some to get one style. And styles don't last on my hair because it's natural and it's so soft. So if I would try to get some curls like this, or some like ocean beach wave curls, it wouldn't last in my hair. So I might as well get a rig and rock it out, and when I get home when I'm tired, I can just throw it off. Y'all, let me ask y'all a question. When y'all get home, what's the first thing you take off? I'm gonna give you a... Well, it's not fair. Okay, from a woman's point of view, what's the first 3 things you take off, ladies, when you get home? Is it A, your shoes, B, your wig, and C, your bra? Which one? Depending on which day for me. If I do have a wig on and it's been a long day, then the first thing I would take off is that wig. But if I didn't have me one of my super bras on that push these girls up right under this chin, that bra's coming off. But I usually do not wear my shoes in my house because I do have carpet. So the first thing I usually take off is my shoes. But some days, depending on how I'm feeling, depending on how that day went, I might take all 3 of them off. It don't matter. Oh, it don't matter. Because once you get home, it's all good. You done made it back safely to your castle. And hey, you got to do what you got to do to get comfortable. You paid to be comfortable, shoot. You done went out there in that world and took care of your business and did what you had to do. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. And I will leave all the links for the wigs down below. Hopefully you can find one that frames your beautiful face and make you feel like a brand new woman. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.